welcome to my humble abode. Also, I feel like I want to put those under the cabinet lights just for ambience, especially when I'm like recording cooking vlogs or whatever. But honestly, the lighting is perfect. Also, where are my manners? I'm so sorry. Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is What's Tea, and this is the very first episode of our moving series. So I'm gonna turn on the lights so that we have lighting. It's been raining all day, well, all morning, because it's literally just the morning. It's been raining all morning, so it's a little bit gloomy outside, but this is my apartment, and we're gonna be moving together. I'm so excited. This is the balcony. So right now I'm essentially just doing like check-ins for me to get the key to my mailbox. I need to do like a full check-in of the apartment to see if everything's working. And then I wanted to also come in before I actually move my things to just clean up the space. I will be getting rid of my dining room table that is at my apartment because there's space here on this island to just put my chairs down here. It's gonna be so cozy, and then I'll put my couch there and the L on that side. The TV will be obviously on this side, which is really space, and there will be a very pretty rug in the center and a coffee table. And then the TV will be on top of the TV console. I don't think I want to hang it up. Should I hang it up to make it feel bigger? Yeah? Okay, we'll hang it up maybe. And then if you come down this way, we have our hallway. In here, we'll put the washer and dryer today. And then we have the boiler room in here. And then this will be my daughter's bedroom. My daughter / this bathroom in here. So cutesy. I need to thorough clean every single nook and cranny. And this is my room. So cute. I'm thinking of putting like blackout curtains on here because yes, I've got, you know, the blinds on here. I'm gonna go all the way down. Let me see if the blinds are actually down that black. And then I can do curtains another time. I don't know. I just feel like I need curtains. Also, I like when it's like pitch black because I'm a very light sleeper. Once I start seeing light at the break of dawn, that's it. I'm awake. I love that there's power sockets on every single corner because one thing about this girly pop likes to put things in the sockets. Okay, I need to be filming, I need to be charging something at some point. So yeah, I love the bedroom. It's pretty big, and we've got some more storage space in here for my closet. I love that because one thing about me, I like to shop. So yeah, really love the closet. And then this is my bathroom. Come on here. I've got the outlets. Perfect. Some storage in here. I'll probably get one of those little caddies. Shower caddy, because skincare is key, you know me. Super excited. So far, everything looks pretty good to me. I'm gonna do the checklist and then go get some cleaning supplies so that I can clean. And then we're gonna go get a new haul and actually pack, because your girly pop hasn't actually packed out of that other apartment. But I still have like 2 more days of that other place, so I'm not really too worried about that. So yeah, let's get it started. Now at Dollar Tree, gonna go and get some cleaning supplies and also some stuff for the shower, like the shower curtains, bathroom mats. Yeah. I'm gonna grab one of these for my daughter's bedroom. I think this color will match her rug the most. This will be her laundry basket, I guess. How much are they? Put the stickers, I don't know. But they're probably like $3 or $5. Built-in rechargeable battery. How do you charge it? Oh, there. Maybe this. This is cute. Yeah. the blue or a mix of the neutrals or the nudes. The nudes are different. 12 pack. These are the only 5 pack. I think I like the 12 pack. I feel like this is not as strong though. It cleanses so well. It smells so good. I love it. I had the toasted coconut before. This was amazing. But I think I want to do dial because it's antibacterial. This one's bigger for the same price. Let's do watermelon basil. This tea, chocolate. I need those oh, it's right here. So I just pull it out, put it on the counter. What do you think? Came to a different Dollar Tree. These are the gray mat that I needed. I just got my U-Haul. Now I'm gonna drive to my place, actually to my parents' place, to get my daughter's bed. And then I'm gonna go to my place to load everything else. Hey, life update. I'm so tired. As soon as we got the U-Haul and got my daughter's bed, came to my place, and yeah, we've just essentially been moving stuff up and down. I still need to declutter this closet, move stuff from my bedroom, my bathroom, my kitchen. But a lot of the stuff has already been moved. My couch, my TV console, my TV, my bed, most of the clothes, side tables for the bed have all gone. My daughter's toy box. So I'm really, really grateful for the 2 gentlemen who are helping me. I don't even know how I can repay them. So yeah, I've got my sneakers on now. Earlier on, I was wearing these because I switch pretty easily. I don't even know where my camera is. I'm currently vlogging with my phone. Everything just needs to go. So yeah, we're gonna go to my place now to go leave the stuff that we've loaded onto the U-Haul. It is currently 12:57. I had asked for the U-Haul till 1:30, but I think at this point they're gonna have to give me more time. I don't know if I wanna make the rug go all the way to the wall and then leave a bit of space here, because the TV console will be in this corner here. So I don't know if I wanna leave a bit of space here or push it closer. Oh, this is nice and big. Which way should it go though? Oh, it's so soft. Okay, no time for me to sit around. I'm so hungry. I've moved all the furniture. This is literally what's left because I'm taking this to my parents' house. And the mirror, and maybe my shoe rack, and kitchen stuff, and my skincare stuff. Otherwise, everything else gone. I'm gonna eat my dinner from last night. I was at my parents'. I have peanut butter, cabbage, beef stew, rice, and Avo. I don't know if y'all can see it from there. This is the first thing I'm eating, by the way, the whole day. Mind you, it's 3:42 p.m. My dad's probably gonna come pick me up in an hour, and we'll take some couple of stuff to my apartment and also get my daughter. Yeah, let me eat. Oh, and hot chocolate for energy. I need that. Oops, I need a shower. Hey, baby. I got something called Pretzel Club. This is for my mom, though. It's for my mom. She doesn't be spicy. I think this is for my dad. Pretzel Club. The bun is a pretzel, and it's got bacon, the chicken fillet, tomato, cheese, and lettuce. Ugh, can't wait to indulge. Dijon mustard, I think it's for these ones. And then honey mustard is for me, period. Mommy, do you want honey mustard? Oh, pops. This looks good. We got the meal, comes with fries.
It's nicely.
And whatever drink choice I gotta cook. Cheers. It's giving Zimbabwe eggs. Because it was too heavy to hold in my arms. Yeah. It's all kind of good BT dubs. Good morning, everybody. I need to go get a couple of things that are still at my place, clean that place up because I need to return the keys tomorrow. And then, yeah, we're gonna come here and sort all of this.
Yo, Nkatil, Takanit, I'm tired. Yo, Stala, je suis fatiguée.
I thought I needed a new wardrobe. No ways. Bye, my Shayla. I grew so much in that apartment. Yo, I cleaned it so nicely. Because I'm just like, I lived in there, that was my home. I don't want to leave it trashed. Like, have manners. Who raised you? JK. Anyway, I got some Chick-fil-A for lunch with my dad. Gonna go to Dollar Tree before I eat. Because I need some organizers for the smaller things like my makeup. I love you down, baby. This was about $30. My arm is actually struggling. Also, I made my dad wait. I feel bad. And you know what? I want to thank God for all the angels He's placed into my life to just make life easier and simpler to navigate. Because I would never be where I'm at today without my dad, without my mom, without my friends, period, you know yourselves, and without our family friends who have taken me as their own child, who have helped me move this weekend. So yeah. Thank y'all. May God bless you. Love you. I'm gonna close this vlog off here because now I'm going to just put everything away. I have successfully moved everything from my old apartment, cleaned that place, handed over my keys, and so now it's time to clean up. I will see you in the next episode of this move in series. I think the next episode will be me going to thrift. There are a couple of things that I want to get for this new apartment. You'll see. The series is gonna be 4-part. We're gonna have this move-in bit. We're gonna have the thrifting for things for my apartment. We're gonna have empty apartment tour, maybe, or maybe apartment tour. And I think I had something else lined up for y'all. Maybe housewarming vibes. I don't know, my first time hosting. We'll see how it flows. But definitely moving in, thrifting, apartment reveal once everything is in place, and I'll see what we do with the 4th one. But it's gonna be all vibey. Moving in so far, I wanna say the U-Haul was about between $40 and $60. And then I also bought some couple of things from Dollar Tree. I wanna say the total for that was about $130, which is the most I've ever spent. No, that's a lie. The first time I moved, I bought like plates, cups, whatever. I don't even think it got up to 100 then. But this time it was quite costly because the things that I was buying were those $5 items, not the $1.25s, which is valid because I really, really needed those things. But I think that is the cost of everything that oh yes, rent. Yeah, I think that's the cost of moving. Just expect to pay for your U-Haul, for your registration fee or application fees, registration fees, rent for the place for the first month at least, budget that much. Fuel, because you'll need to fill up the U-Haul before you take it back. If you're gonna do 2 men in the truck, also factor that in, because if you're not gonna be moving, if you don't have help, you can do 2 men in the truck. I don't know the rates for that. That's not what I use, so I cannot talk on that. But these are just the different options that you can, look at when you're thinking of moving. Period. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Y'all are the real ones. I hope you enjoy. Bye.